Javier's Noise. Hello, Miguel. My car has a problem. Javier is worried. Miguel is the mechanic. Javier says, I hear a strange noise. It comes from the top of the engine. The noise is a soft click-click. Miguel looks at the engine. He says, maybe it is a problem with the oil. Lubrication is important. Miguel explains, the oil is like food for the engine. It needs oil to move. The oil makes the parts not touch. The oil is in a place called the oil pan, Miguel says. The oil pan is a box. It is at the bottom of the engine. A pump takes the oil up, Miguel continues. The pump takes the oil from the oil pan and takes it up through the tubes. Up. Miguel asks, is the oil dirty? Javier does not know. Miguel says, the oil must pass through a filter. The filter cleans the oil. Then, the clean oil goes to the engine parts, to the big parts, and to the small parts, so they do not get hot, Miguel explains. Miguel touches the top of the engine. If the oil does not get here, noise. The lubrication system does not work. There is a problem up here. Miguel says calmly, we will check the filter and the pump. Do not worry. Your car will be fine. Javier. Thanks, Miguel. Javier's Noise.